Hi, I'm Ruby Roxx, and welcome to Retro Recipes with Ruby Roxx. Today we'll be making some of my favorite classic cocktails. Why don't you come on in and we'll get started. Tonight we're hosting our annual tiki party, and I thought I'd make a classic Mai Tai. Mai Tais were invented in 1944 by Trader Vic Bergeron when he had some friends visiting from Tahiti. When he served it to them, they said, "Mai Tai Roe," which translates to "out of this world, the best," and that's how it got its name. They're made with light rum, amber rum, dark rum, triple sec or orange curacao, orgeat syrup, which is almond syrup, and simple syrup. You can make simple syrup by simply boiling 1 part water and 1 part sugar on the stove, stirring until it becomes clear. All right, we're gonna start by putting some ice in our glass to chill our glass while we're making the drink. Put that over there. I'm gonna take our shaker and put some ice in here as well. Start with the light rum, 1 ounce of white rum. 1 ounce of amber rum. Half an ounce of triple sec. Half an ounce of the almond syrup. And a splash of the simple syrup. We'll also use the juice of half a lime. To make your limes juicier, before you cut it, you can roll it on the table. Shake any drink that has citrus juice in it to incorporate the juice more into the drink. Again, we're going to shake it until the tumbler becomes all frothy on the outside. Pour it into our tiki glass. On top will float 1 ounce of dark rum. You can garnish with a cherry. And of course, a mini umbrella. And there you have a Mai Tai.